It's fascinating because if you would have asked me even a couple of years ago, would we be here now, today, where ChatGPT is able to put out, sort of okayish content, depending on what you do, I would say, yeah, not quite yet. So, I mean, that's a real question. So there's a couple ways I can answer that. And the one is like, does AI make writers or content creators lazy and suck out their creativity? And that is kind of a valid question in a way, because you can, if you are working fast and not really into what you're doing, kind of get into this vibe where you use ChatGPT instead of an assistant, you use it as your boss. And whatever you write is like, if it says something, yeah, whatever, it's good. I'm fine. And that reminds me of like trusting SEO tools who will say like, you have a red circle right here. That means something's bad on your content. And you as a writer know it's okay. You don't necessarily want something like that to tell you how your writing should flow. So in that way, I think that there is, for some writers, at some times, the risk of not being as creative. And in many cases, I see that also being company driven, because the companies think, oh, well, you can create more with less time now. So we're just going to increase scope of everything that you do. And that, no matter what, even if we weren't talking about AI, sucks the creativity right out of things because you don't have time.